isn't the rookie that I expected to have. Pero like, knowing yung nangyari, still like, nakikita ko pa rin na yung ini-instill na strong mind sa sinasabi ni Coach. Ina-apply ko, nakikita ko na ginagawa ng Atas yun, and it gives me, na-inspire ako na to continue that strong mind mentality all throughout the season. So, I think na-apply ko yun siya today, kaya, ayun, I'm very happy na yan nga, nailabas yung laro ko, and naka-bring ako na.
Julian, you had 11 attacks, 2 blocks, 18 digs, and 17 interceptions. So it has been a trying season for you guys with all the injuries, what could have been, and everything. So, what can you say?
Actually, syempre, parang sobrang laki ng expectation to this season. Especially, niya sila sa James Obi, sobrang iba yung team namin ngayon na very strong talaga. But, yun yan, din natin na-expect yung mga nangyari. But, I'm still happy kasi Fibonacci pa rin namin yung goal namin, which is mapakita kahit konti lang kami, lumalaban pa rin kami. And I'm very happy sa mga rookies namin kasi very ready sila, na nag-step up sila talaga. And parang hindi sila rookie, feel ko sobrang talaga lang namin naglalaro sa'yo.
Thank you. To AC, you had 11 attacks, 2 blocks, and 4 digs. So, yun nga, naging middle ka, tapos opposite. So, ano yung mga adjustment na ginawa mo para syempre makaroon ka ng magandang performance in your position? Okay.
Siguro yung adjustment na ginawa ko is at the start of the season, sinanay ko lang sa going much higher sets, and nag-stick lang ako sa pinapagawa sa akin ni Coach kasi pag sinunod ko naman na first sure magagawa ko ng maayos yung trabaho ko na bago as opposite. So for today, nag-middle ako, I guess, hindi naman siya mas easier, pero mas napunta ako sa comfort zone ko kasi all my life I've been a middle. So going back to the middle position, okay lang.